Nomsa Buthelezi Shezi is in mourning. Nomsa Buthelezi Shezi is currently going through a very hard time. The Gomorrah diva opened up on Instagram today and said, "I took time to post this because I didn't have words to describe my pain. The truth is, guys, I'm broken, I'm shattered. I have tried a lot of things to hide my pain. Our family lost a son, I have lost a brother. We are left to pick up the pieces. Rest in peace, Lebo, we will miss your smile. Nobody checks up on me." Condolences have been pouring for Nomsa and her family from industry friends. Another celeb that is mourning is Bongo hitmaker and Khanyi Mbau, popularly known as TNS. The musician took to Instagram to share that today is his uncle's burial and also his birthday. He is turning 21 today.
Yeah.